Did 6 miles and it kicked my butt. I am so tired. I am sore from yesterday, and honestly I didn't sleep that well last night. It's probably a real good thing I didn't go after those caribou I saw. That would have been an additional 4 miles of skiing. Oh, but this adventure isn't over. I still want to go explore a few areas. Pulling into Coldfoot, Alaska to get some food and gas. Man, snow is coming down pretty good. Snowstorm's making the road conditions nasty, but it is warming things up. Oftentimes when a snowstorm rolls in, the temperature goes up. So right now it's 17 degrees Fahrenheit. So about 27 degrees warmer than yesterday.